Today we're going over how to add a shared mailbox in the Exchange Center. So it's a little bit different from the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, but first you're going to go sign in as a global admin or get into the Exchange Center as a delegated admin. You go to admin, show all, and navigate to Exchange, and then add shared mailbox. And if it takes you somewhere else other than the mailbox section or the recipient section, that's where you need to go. Recipients Mailbox. Add shared mailbox. Put in the name and email address. So in this case, it would be for an info mailbox. Info. And then select your domain and click create. And that is how simple it is to add a shared mailbox. Now, one final step that you'll want to do is add somebody to access the mailbox. This will need to be somebody who has a license. And in this case, we'll just do PixelBust. Click Save. Confirm. And now that user will be able to access the shared mailbox. That's everything you need to know to create a shared mailbox from the Microsoft Exchange Center. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.